If you're still in the mindset that tossing any trading indicator on your charts is the correct route, you are no doubt still looking for trading success. Now, does that mean that trading indicators such as a moving average and MACDs have no place in trading? Absolutely not. But what it does mean is that while an indicator can assist you in making educated trading decisions, they're not the final cog in the success wheel. Going further, it's how you use them to assist you is truly what makes them useful. And I'm going to have something special for you later on. Now, we've all been down that road, most of us anyhow, where we spent far too much time just trying out different indicators and settings that before we knew it, there was a lot of time in the rearview mirror. And that was time that was wasted. That would have been better spent learning about the mechanics of the moves of the markets. What actually makes price move, the imbalances, and the structures that it forms would have been a better learning curve to tackle. Instead, we look for the perfect setting on that perfect indicator that timed perfectly with a small data set of turning points on the chart, using historical data, of course. We then look to find a combination of indicators that all lined up at the same time and gave us that perfect trade setup. So you set about trading your system, only to find out that it did not stand up to the real-world live markets. It just wasted time. So let's move on from that madness. As a trading company that has actual traders as members of the team, Netpicks not only gets questions about our trading systems, but also trading in general. Now, many of the questions are about indicators, and it's clear that many of those who have written in are just stuck in that novice headspace of how to use these tools. You must remember that trading will always be a work in progress. You will never suddenly just arrive, and you'll constantly be working to improve not only your system, but yourself as well. Now, there's no quick path to success or even consistency in your trading, but that path can be a shorter one, and that's something that we wanted to help you out with. Now, Netpicks has been developing trading systems for over 20 years, but it's far from being just a one-trick pony. Trading education and your success is something that we're also passionate about. So we decided to dedicate many hours to putting together some really hard truths about trading indicators to help you cut some wasted time off your trading journey. And we wanted to help you have one central place to study the most talked about indicators, but in a way that actually reflects the real world of trading. We wanted to open your eyes to the actual real world utility of some popular trading indicators and just rip apart the common truths about them. So we want to give you full access to a 55-page downloadable resource manual that will cover important topics such as the 2 types of trading indicators that you want to use, the 4 indicators that can be used in any market or time frame, the perfect trading indicator setting, and here's a hint for you, don't think about it too hard. One thing that you must see for high probability retracement and continuation trades, and why oversold, overbought is not a trading setup. Now, while other companies may be happy just giving you, selling you, actually, a manual, we want to make sure you not only understand everything we talk about, but can also see the truth in it. So you're also going to get over 30 minutes of HD video. Here's a screen grab of a portion of the moving averages video where the weakness of moving averages as trend indicators is fully explained. But here's a quick tip. A moving average can be used as a scanning tool for quick determination of trend and price compression. Here is a segment on Keltner channels where you'll learn how to determine different states of the market to help you in your trading decision. Now, is this a holy grail of information on indicators? No, but it does what it's designed to do. It has you focus on what's important and ultimately helps shorten the learning curve that we all suffer from when we start to trade. Now, this blueprint could easily sell for over $150 when compared to similar products, although they simply rehash the same information you can get from a simple Google search. But we want you to have this indicator trading resource for free. Pay for what you get does not apply here. This is a quality resource that you will refer to for years to come, so you can download your indicator blueprint for free right here. Once the markets find a consolidation area, you now have the opportunity to play a support or resistance holding or failing type of play. 4 types of trades, and there are literally hundreds of ways that you can take advantage of these trading opportunities. In this chart here, there's a move that we see time and time again because it's the nature of the markets. What occurs here is during the markup phase, that big green candle attracts the eyes of traders who jump into the move. And these traders are actually late to the party because more astute players are in the move prior to the break. You'll notice in the accumulation area, immediately prior to the break, we have price sitting up against resistance in a 2-candle range. This is an opportunity for a trade where you think one of 2 things will happen. Number 1, resistance will hold and you play a short back into the consolidation. Number 2, resistance will fail and price will rally to the upside. While some traders will use a rate